die, but I've just experienced some very unreasonable things.
Gender reveal parties have given us wildfires, pollution. An entire Brazilian waterfall dyed blue that may have contaminated an entire town's water supply. Someone caused a minor earthquake once. The innovation never stops. And now, blue pigeons in Arizona, released by social media influencers. So this influencer couple released a flock of pigeons dyed bright blue at their gender reveal party near the Salt River. And of course, they filmed it, posted it, and it went viral. Which was the entire point. The pigeons were props. The baby was content. The algorithm was fed. Wildlife rescuers were less enthusiastic. Here's what happens when you dye a bird and release it for views. The toxic fumes compromise their little lungs. They ingest poison while preening their own feathers. Existing flocks reject them because they look insane. Predators spot them immediately because they're bright blue and glowing like a novelty pool toy. One pigeon dyed pink in England died from a cat attack shortly after being released at a similar event. Malnourished, dehydrated, significant wounds. All for someone's Instagram or TikTok reel. Now in Arizona, several of the blue pigeons are still missing. The influencer couple went online to say all the birds were safe. Wildlife rescuers went online to say that a few are still unaccounted for. These two statements cannot both be true. But I would tend to believe the wildlife rescuers more because what do they have to gain by lying? We spent weeks on this show covering the Ford F-250 in Kansas that couldn't be moved because a robin built a nest on the tire. The customer and the dealership waited weeks out of pure respect for one bird and the Migratory Bird Treaty Act, federal law, protecting 4 little robin chicks. Meanwhile, influencers are out here dyeing entire flocks blue for content. Here's an idea. You want to find out your baby's gender? Find out at the hospital. I feel like these gender reveal parties have become so, everybody's just trying to top each other in scale that, again, wildfires are starting, minor earthquakes are happening, people are dying. Someone should flip it back to the trend of just being surprised. Hey, look, it's a healthy baby boy. The baby will still be a baby. The pigeons don't need to be a part of it. Leave the birds alone.